weather is in the Kimball County area and KIMBN Network blogspot is on top of it. From the Kimball Storm Center, this is a breaking weather update protected by State Farm Insurance. Visit them at 229 South Chestnut Street in downtown Kimball. Here is the special weather report. Special weather report. A high wind warning remains in effect from 9 a.m. this morning to 6 p.m. this evening. Northwest winds of 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 65 miles per hour is possible for Banner County, Cheyenne County, Kimball County, Morrill County, and Scotts Bluff County from 9 a.m. this morning to 6 p.m. this evening. Impacts are mainly to transportation. Strong cross winds will be hazardous to lightweight or high-profile vehicles, including campers and tractor-trailers. A high wind warning means a hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles per hour or gusts of 58 miles per hour or stronger can lead to property damage. A high wind warning begins at 9 a.m. this morning and will continue until 6 p.m. this evening. Stay tuned for additional updates. This significant weather update is protected by Joe Mejia of State Farm Insurance of Kimball Insurance, located at 229 South Chestnut Street in downtown Kimball.
No. I can't handle this.
Great handle takes some practice.
Jewel Lloyd.
The key is balance and anticipation, so no one can steal.
Someone did steal.
Oh. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
Hey, State Farm's here to help.
We should watch the game. Oh, right.
Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
Contact Joe Mejia of State Farm at 308-230-2200. You can also visit Joe Mejia Insurance Agency Incorporated online at kimbballinsurance.net. Open hours are Tuesday through Thursday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and closed Friday through Monday. Also open evenings and Saturdays by appointment. We are located at 229 South Chestnut Street in downtown Kimball next to H&R Block.